Hey everybody, how's it going? So yeah, today we're playing with Unity. We'll see how it goes. I haven't really done much with it since last time. So keep in mind this is not a tutorial. This is just me messing around, trying to figure out what in the world I'm doing. Alright, well, I'll start off with what I've got so far, which, I was following a tutorial to talk about camera movement. So I've kind of got like WASD can move the camera around, and you can right click and drag to rotate the camera. And then I wanted to experiment with like clicking things. So if you click this square that's moving, oh yeah, I've got left click drag on as well, which makes it a little more complicated when you click the square. But supposedly if you click the square, it's supposed to make the camera look at it. And I'm doing that with some code. I think what I'll do for now, I had made this ship controller thing to make the ship move around and stuff. But let's stop doing that for now. Let me just comment this out. And also in the camera controller, there's drag move with the left mouse. Let's stop doing that too. We can make do with just WASD. Alright, so now we do this. My square's not moving, and then if I click on it, yeah, we turn to look at it. So that's cool. Alright, so I wanted to experiment with making some UI. So I added this button in. So to make UI, you basically make a canvas, which I did, and then you can switch over to 2D mode. And so there's my canvas, and I put a button in, and I assigned it a new script. This one was I called it button handler, but I might change the name later. And so that's what I've got over here. And so I made like one click my button. I just named it really long so I could be sure there wasn't any overlap or anything with if there's a real one click method or something, but I don't think there is. Alright, so then my button, I click the little plus here to add an one click method. And then I had to assign an object. So I assigned the button and its function. I found click my button. So there we go. But now I have to decide what happens when I click my button. And I think the simplest thing to do for now is maybe move my cube a little. Would be the easiest. But let's go ahead and make I want to make like a game controller script. Because I don't want to have all this logic in the button. That would be pretty stupid, right? So I've been putting all my scripts in this one folder. I don't know if you're supposed to just leave them in the base root, but I doubt it. Alright, so I've got a game controller here. And I want this to be a singleton. So, what we'll do is, we'll have an instance And I think there's like an awake function you're supposed to use. Let me just double check like some tutorial. Make sure I don't do anything stupid. Oh yeah, this should be static. And yeah, it's recommended that you use awake. Though I don't know what the difference is between start and awake. Yeah, not really sure. But here's like a recommendation I found online. And basically, if you got a second one, kill it, because why is there a second one? And then we probably don't need these. Alright, and then I was thinking, I probably want to have a reference to my cube somewhere. So we'll just put like public game object, what should we call it for now? Let's call it ship. Alright, and then let's also have a function called like move ship. And if ship, then ship, what do I want to do? I guess I could have it be a ship controller object. Let's do that. And then maybe we'll just add a function called move. And if you call the move function, then I was thinking, I want to set this destination. So we'll reuse some of my code. So this is the code that makes it actually move somewhere. Oh, and the camera controller is where I actually set the destination. Alright, well, for simplicity's sake, I was thinking, let's just have the destination be the current position, but then, we'll make the x or the z plus equal 100. Kind of like what we did for this up here. But this is what I use to make the square just jump back and forth. So, if it's at the final position, I don't want to do anything. Otherwise, it'll move towards it. Alright, so then in my game controller, I should be able to call ship.move. And then from my button, when you click it, I want to do gamecontroller.instance.moveShip. Alright, so that should all be theoretically correct. The only thing remaining is I need to assign the ship to the button. But we'll do that the ship to the game controller. But we'll do that in Unity. So, let's see. What do I want to do here? So, yeah, so the game controller. Since I added that property, it's got the ship property. And we'll just drag our cube into it. Alright. So I think that'll work. Let's give it a shot. So here we are, and I'll hit my button, and sure enough, it ends up moving. And I should be able to hit it again, and theoretically each time I hit it, it should reset its destination a little further down, right? So there we go, that was pretty simple. So now we should be able to, let's build a little more UI. So this button we have already, let's change this to like submit. And let's see, where do I do the text for it? It's gotta be in here somewhere, right? Am I just blind? Where is the text? The image. Color, material, button. Wow, am I just really stupid? Where? Oh, here we go. It's got a it's got a text sub-object. There we go. Alright, so we'll call this submit. And let's make some more buttons just to work on our thing here. So in our canvas, make some more buttons. I probably want to have these created programmatically, but for now, I was thinking, whoops, don't want to do that. So, I'm trying to make like an X-Wing style game, right? Can I just copy these and rename it? So I would like to have little pictures and stuff later, but we'll figure that out later. For now, I think I'll just have a few different little buttons. Oops. I want to make the whole button bigger. Alright, so these will be our starter UI. Alright, so I would like to have the button know what type of move it is. Let's think about that. So probably what I want to do is have some properties Let's go ahead and actually change the name of this, maybe. So I wonder, like, I should probably just have different classes, right? Yeah, I should probably have, like a submit button and then a, whatever I want to call this. Let's call it, maneuver button. So I made a new script in Unity called maneuver button, and in C#, let's have maneuver button. It doesn't need these things. But it should have a it needs a way to tell what kind of move it is. Maybe we'll have speed of the move and what's the word for it? I mean, kind of direction, but what we might want to have is like an enum. Maybe like maneuver direction. I'll fix it up later. And we've got straight, turn left, and turn right so far. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a function to game controller called plan move. And that's going to take a speed and oops, not that. It'll take a speed and a direction, and then it'll save that off. Probably, I mean, I'm gonna need to change this a lot when I, yeah, what we want to have is, let's actually call this, like, selected ship, maybe. But what we're gonna end up with is a, an array of ships, but actually, for now, we're just gonna do this. And just do it this way. And then the idea is when we go to move the ship, we can probably change that name too. Let's see. But yeah, we're gonna move, gonna go ahead and pass in the plan speed and plan direction to the ship. Alright, and then for now, we're just gonna do this, and we're gonna say, if direction is straight, we'll do it this way. If it's turn left, just for simplicity's sake, for now we're gonna do just the X direction, but it's gonna turn into like a banky, like an actual turn arc at some point. And then for turn right, we'll just do positive. Alright, so now, when you click a maneuver button, then we're going to call game controller play a move, and pass in our speed, speed and direction. Alright, and then this button, we're going to rename this to the submit button handler. And it'll still call move ship. I didn't change the name of that, but that's fine. Alright, so now we should be able to plan our move, and then click the submit button when we're ready for it to move. I think that takes care of everything in here. Let's go back to Unity. So I do have to configure these buttons now. Basically each of them, we'll want to drag in the script somehow. Oh, they'll all need a one click as well. Hold on, let's, so there's the maneuver button script. How do we do this? Alright, so this will be a one and a turn left. Oh, there we go, that works good. And we also need the one click, don't we? Where did that go? Oh, what? Wait a second. Oops, I accidentally added that to the canvas. That's a mistake. Alright. I don't want a new script though. Can I just, yeah, there we go. Alright, one and turn left. Oh, hi, how's it going, Redstone Pro? I'm just, learning some Unity. I'm kind of a noob when it comes to this, even though I do know how to program other things. Oh, that was not right. I don't want cube there, I want the button itself. To give you a reason to switch from Godot to Unity, I'm not too familiar with Godot, but from what I do know about Unity, is that it is used throughout the industry. So if you want to get like a job at a bigger game company, Unity might be more useful in the end. Alright, so there we go. We put our script there, yeah. Alright, this will be the turn right. Right, is that? Oh no, what was I on? Oh, I was on the canvas again. I gotta figure out how to do this right. Alright, I did change the name of my script here to submit. Wait, why can't I? Oh, it's because I didn't change the name here. Oh, the file name's still the same. Let me change the file name too. Alright, so now it's changed to submit button handler. Alright, so submit button, make sure we've got it selected. Go and change our script to the submit button handler. And then we need to drag the button in here for an on click. Alright, so turn left is good. Turn right. But yeah, how's Godot? I've been thinking about trying it out. But it's always daunting learning a new thing. Let me know what you think Godot's good for. I wonder if there's a better way to do this. I mean, I'm gonna want to do this programmatically later, but I figured I would just try with a few buttons first to make sure I understood how it worked. Alright, so I've got all my buttons assigned now, so presumably this will work. Alright, and what we should expect is that if I click like one straight and submit, it should go straight. And if I click like turn left, it should go left. And if I click turn right, it should go right. And if I click 2, it should go twice as far. Uh-oh, that didn't work. Alright, I don't know why 2 didn't work. Let's take a look. Oh, it's because my speed was 0. Alright, so 2 should go twice as far as 1. Which seems like that's probably right. Alright, so now I've kind of got the basis of what I'll need here. But what I probably need to do now is when I click on my ship, when I click on this guy, then I want the UI to pop up. So let's think about how we want to do that. I mean, we're going to need something that creates all these buttons and assigns them for us. So let's see. I mean, I've already got in the camera controller. When I click on that chip, where does that happen? Or does that happen in the ship controller? Yeah, so I've got this mouse down. Set the follow transform. What I should probably also do is create all the buttons. So what I might want to do is I probably want let me think about this. So I'm gonna need a function that creates all the buttons. I'm just trying to think who should own creating all the buttons. Like, I wonder if I should have have the canvas. Because we need to add buttons to the canvas. Wonder if that makes the most sense. Let's see what Mr. Internet has to say. About the best way to create buttons dynamically. So it seems like it's recommended to make a prefab of the button. So, let's see. How do we want to do that? I mean, I want it to be a maneuver button handler. I mean, the currently set stuff won't really matter. I do want to have something that, I can just add those as functions later. Alright, let's try to figure out how to make a prefab. Can I just drag a button down, I wonder? That doesn't seem to work.
If you're looking for your next...
Put up some video to try to get it, but there's ads. Let's see. Trying to just skip ahead in the video to see what would be the best. Yeah, I don't think that video is gonna help. I know there was a there was a tutorial I went through before. Let's see. Drag a game object from the hierarchy window into the project window. Oh, so I guess I just drag like this button down to prefabs. No, that doesn't seem to work. Oh, maybe I should just make a folder for prefabs. And I think actually you just drag it down here. We'll call this, maneuver button prefab, I guess. We can always set this stuff after we create it. And, alright, so that looks like it should be correct. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is let's actually just have, yeah, let's have when you click the ship, it calls a function. Maybe the canvas should be responsible for, doing stuff. Let's see. How do I add it to the canvas, I wonder? Alright, let's go ahead and add a script. We'll call this one UI or canvas handler or something, I don't know. We can always change the names later. Alright, so my canvas handler. Oh, let's drop it in the right folder. Alright, so we don't need any of this. But we probably want a function called add maneuver button. And it's gonna need a speed and a direction. And I'm probably gonna need some text too for now. And we're also going to have to do some kind of layout, but I could actually use the speed and direction to determine the layout. So anyways, so like our new button, there's a function called instantiate, and somehow we need to reference this prefab. I wonder how that works. I mean, it looks like it takes... I wonder. So, from what I'm looking at online, it looks like what we want to do is, after we create it somehow, question mark, then we're going to want to say, like, new button.transform.setParent of the canvas. And false here, I guess. Yeah, because we don't wanna change the parent. But I need to figure out how to create the prefab. Alright, so I'm looking up the Unity manual here. Maybe I can get this on screen. Hold on. One moment. Yeah, who doesn't like reading documentation on a stream? Let's see. So, if you want to instantiate some game objects at runtime, that's exactly what I want to do. Alright, here we go. So, so we just have an empty, okay, so it does it from the class definition somehow. Alright, that should be pretty easy actually then. So... what we should be able to do is, just do that. Oh, it can't convert that to a game object. Oh, thanks for the follow, Mr. RGB. Or RBG. Let's see, what am I missing here? Oh, okay. I think I get it now. I think I get it now. So let's go back to Unity. No, go back to here. So yeah, what we're gonna do is do this. And then in Unity, so since we added that field to our canvas, we should be able to just drag this guy over here. And voila! Alright, so we do actually want to use these other things though. So, I wonder, how do we get at this script that's on it? Because it is, this prefab does have a maneuver button handler script. I kind of want to like cast game object to script or something? I don't really know. Oh, so I think what we do is, there's a find function. No, get component. Alright, so that should get the script. And then we should be able to call functions on it. I wonder what else. Can we get at the button text this way? How do we do that? So, looking at our thing in Unity, like, it has this, text object. I wonder if we need to say, like, get child or something like that. I'm a little worried about this target graphic field. But, hopefully that's just the image for the button. Yeah, let's see. So what I think I'm gonna need to do is like, there's probably like a there's get component in children. Interesting. But there's not like a get child or something. Let's see, if we try get component in children, I don't know what it's actually called. Is the problem, like, is it really called like text parentheses TMP or something? I'm worried about that. Like, maybe it's text mesh. Oops, that's not gonna work. Like, we're gonna want something like this, probably. Something like this. Let's try to add one of these just to see what happens. We do need a way to get at this canvas, but maybe the game controller will just have a let's just have the game controller have a reference to canvas. And then we can say like canvas dot add maneuver button. For now, let's just add just so we can tell. Actually, let's do yeah, we'll just do that. And so my thinking here is we've got this create buttons thing. And for now we'll just call it, I mean this isn't really what we want to do, but oops, not instantiate, instance. So yeah, we'll just do this for now, just to test it out. And we'll see what happens. I'm not convinced this will do what we want, but I want to give it a shot. So yeah, let's hop on in here. And when I click the ship, oh, we got a no reference, and I know why. I know why. It's because we didn't set canvas. Alright. This time we got another no reference, but I don't know why. Canvas handler line 19. Oh, so that's telling us that this get component in children failed. Yeah, that's what I expected. Let's see. Let's figure out, someone else has asked this question before. So I'm just reading some forum to see what people say. So it looks like someone's saying there's like a TM Pro, Text Mesh Pro Yogui. I don't know how I would know which one my object is. It's definitely a TMP something. Well, let's try this one and see what happens. And if this one fails, we'll try the other one. Oh ho! Wait, the reference script on this behavior is missing. What are we... Oh, I think I was just running... Oh, wait. Alright, it's stopped, right? What is it complaining about here? I only changed this part. Alright, yeah, we just had to reload. Alright, so that's still no good. Let me just try, a regular Text Mesh Pro. So I just changed that real quick. Still not right. What in the world is it? Text TMP. But text is just the name of it, right? That's the name in the UI. What actually is it? There's Text Mesh Pro Text UI. Let's see. I don't really get it. Oh, you can't actually see the pop-ups. Interesting. Well, I was just checking out the pop-up menu to try to figure out what it could be. Unless I need to do get component in children. We can try that real quick. It doesn't hurt. No, that's not right either. Not a shocker. I mean, it's not a regular text mesh. I mean, I don't know if we can actually just get get the text. Like, I'm kind of curious if this will work. But in this case, we would probably just want to say text object equals text. Or no. Whoops. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think that works? We'll find out. Oh. It didn't give me an error. And it did actually create the thing. Where did it put it, though? I wonder if we need to, let me see. Let me mess around with the positioning. Alright, so yeah, we probably just need to mess around with the positioning a bit. Alright, I guess that was it. So that let us get the text object from the TM Pro. It's a little... There must be some way in Unity where you can actually see... Oh, I guess... So it does say TMP, and it's text. I just don't know how you would link those things up. Alright, so I was thinking the prefab here, what we probably want to do is change its position to 0, 0, maybe. Yeah, so now it pops up at 0, 0. Oh, what I did want to do was make sure it worked. So now if we click this and submit, we should move 3 to the left. Which it looks like works. It sure is going. Alright, nice. So now I want to be able to actually lay out all the different moves for a ship. And so what I was thinking was the ship should probably know what its moves are, right? Probably private, right? And we probably actually need a definition for a maneuver. A maneuver should be a speed and a direction. I mean, I could probably say it's a struct. Structs and classes in C# are actually pretty similar, so probably doesn't matter too much. But anyways, we want to have a list or an array of maneuvers. I always feel like I get my syntax wrong, but I think that's a normal array in C#. Jumping around between JavaScript and C# and C++, I always forget a little. Alright, so I was thinking on start, we should probably just create all the maneuvers that are we want. And I should probably find a better way to define this, but for now, oh, come on. Wait, is there not? Maybe I just want a list of maneuvers. And then I can just add them. Right, oh, I should probably, yeah, let's just have this be a class. Alright, then we can just say new maneuver. Alright, so probably just add them however we want. So like one straight. We'll give him all the straights. At some point I want to move and maybe we'll give him 1, 2, and 3 turn left. Yeah, and turn right as well. And while we're doing this, I'll go ahead and add in banks as well. Just so we have some more buttons. Alright, so now we've got our maneuvers. And we'll create that when we start up. And then when we click the create buttons, let's go ahead and pass in our maneuvers. No, there we go. Alright, so then, for each maneuver, we'll go ahead and add that maneuver. And let's go ahead and add a function, get button text. And I figure what we'll do is, let's see, I don't know that strings are smart enough to do that. Okay, I think that'll work. And, what I should really do, does we support this? This is one of my favorite features of C#. Oh gosh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Here I am, typing away. And you can't even see it. Alright, so, speed, and then, let's actually call another function for now. What's wrong here? How did that all... I've got a return right there. Oh, I think my string is messed up. Oh, what's going on? Unexpected quote. Oh, there we go. Alright, so then, I was thinking we'll just have a switch case here. So straight. We've got 5 different things. There we go. Alright, so that'll let us add all our buttons, but we do need to lay them out, actually. So that's a bit of a problem. So how do we want to lay them out? We could probably, I was thinking we'll do it based on the maneuver direction and speed. So what we're going to be changing is new button dot transform dot position. And we're going to be setting the X and presumably the Y. Let me just double check Unity real quick. Yeah, the X and the Y. So let's have the Y position equal let's see, so I want let's see, is there a way to get like the width or something? There is a width and height on the game object. There's a rect transform. I wonder if I have to do get component rect transform. Alright, so that should get the rect for us. Which can let us see the width and height of the rectangle. Maybe I'll standardize the width and height. So 40 and 50. Oh, transformed that. How do I... Oh, there's, right. There's also rect. Okay, so that has width and height on it. Which is presumably what we want. Alright, well, for simplicity's sake, first we're just gonna, before we do anything fancy, let's just go ahead and set, oh, I do want this stuff though, don't I? Alright, let's set, transform dot, no. New button. So the Y position is going to be set to speed times the rect's width plus some buffer. I mean, we can clean this up a lot later. Apparently we can't just modify position. Which is kind of annoying. But we can do this, right? Like, that should work. Yeah, and that's because it has a getter and setter on it. And so, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, in the X position, oh, yeah, the X position, whoops, so let's do height. The X position is going to be based on the maneuver direction. So let's add a function, And probably just have a switch case here. And this should return just a int or something. Oh, let's call this get column. Yeah, that'll make sense. So and we're gonna organize it like so. And I love autocomplete. So nice. Alright, so alright, so that should be enough to lay it out. It won't be exactly how I want it, but I have a feeling it'll work. Time for testing! Alright, so we'll click our little button. Boop! Alright. I don't know why they ended up on the left side, but at least column-wise they're all laid out correctly. I wonder why their position is all the way over here, though. Oh, did I not? No, that is set to 0. Oh, you can't quite see that because the chat's blocking the way. Maybe I can, no, that doesn't really help. I am a little confused. Why is it all the way over here? Yeah, I would have expected it to be at 0, not negative something. Let's look at our code some more. So like the column for turn left should be 0. The X position is going to be so this would be 0 and 0. So you would think the X position would be 0. But in the prefab itself, its position is 0. So I guess that's the part I don't get. Because you would think, right? That it wouldn't have such a position. Yeah, why is it so far off? I don't know what to think about that. So, just for curiosity's sake, let's, can I, how do I print stuff out? There's a debug.log. Alright. And we can probably just do this for fancy sake. So I expect that debug log line. Oh, you couldn't even see it. I'm sorry. So I wrote in that debug log line, and I just want to see what that prints out. So over in Unity, so the positions all seem to make sense, right? But how do they end up with that huge negative number? So let's try spewing out some more stuff just to see what we're seeing. I want us to do it before I call setParent, just because I was curious if setParent is changing things. Oh, whoops. And then we can have the we'll just do it like that. Oh no, I don't want transform, I want new button dot transform. Is that what I messed up somewhere? I don't think so. Alright, let's see what happens this time. Oops. I'm zooming into the world. I just want to scroll through my thing. Alright, so it's 0, 0. Oh, I didn't have a comma in there. Let me put that in just for readability's sake. It'll be a little easier to read. Alright, so it's 0, 0 when we created it, but then after we added it to the thing, then its transform is changed to a very large number, And presumably that's where the canvas is. Yeah, that's the canvas's position. And then that's not changing at all. But that is what we said. Oh, we set it to like how is it so negative? I don't get it. Let's see, I guess I could, hold on. Let me make the window a little smaller, maybe? Oh, that didn't do anything. Unity. That's gonna make it hard to read, though. Well, I just wanted to point out these numbers up here. It's like very negative number. And I don't know where that's coming from. Alright, well. Well. It's not clear from my log where that's coming from either, is it? So, like, I really thought it would be, centered. I'm very confused. Because, like, if I don't change that position, what happens? So I just commented out the set position line. Okay, so they're all in the middle. I see. So what I probably want to do instead of equals here, I probably just want to do plus equals. That's the problem. So I suspect that'll fix it up for us. Oh, hold on. Let me just uncomment that line. There we go. That's more what I expected to see. Alright, so this is actually, pretty good. Why does it look like the one T is bold there? It's kind of weird, isn't it? Hi there! How's it going, Sabata channel? Alright, so yeah, what I'm thinking is I'll have, when I click on the ship, I'll spawn this here, and then I can, decide the moves, right? And then I should be able to submit, yeah. The next thing I would like to do is, have it so the one you have selected is highlighted, before you hit submit. So first off, let's go ahead and just delete these guys, because we don't need them anymore. Because we're gonna spawn our things there, yeah. Alright, let me kill my debug spew too. Come on. Alright, and I really should spawn it, offset some. I wonder what's the best way to do that. I guess I could have like a placeholder object. And I could grab, like the submit button, for example. And I could do it off of that. But for now, let's just I can probably grab the canvases I should be able to grab the canvases rectangle, right? To determine how big it is. Let's try that. And what we'll do is the Y position, let's just try that and see where we end up. Alright, so that made sense. Let's also, just for now, we'll put the X position in the other end as well. Oh, I didn't show you, but I just copied that for the X position and changed it to width. Oh, but we need to move it over a little bit. So we'll just do like plus 20 or something. Oh, a little bit more. I mean, we'll adjust it later once we actually, you know, get to doing real stuff. Alright, cool. So that's a good spot for it. At least for now. And now what I want to do is when I click one of these guys, I want to have it change color. So I wonder how I do that. Oh, you can't see the color pop up. But seems pretty easy to change the color. So let's do let's see. So I think in my my maneuver button handler class, let's have let's see. I could do something like passing in the button here, and then have game. That's probably the simplest, actually. That's probably gonna be the simplest thing to do. And then what we want to do is probably have a like set color function. I don't quite know how to reference the color yet, but we'll figure it out. And so it looks like maybe we need to grab the image component. Alright, well there isn't an image there. Let's see. Come on, Unity, help, let's see, internet. Unity, programmatically change button color. Oh, I should be able to do get component image, is what they're saying. But I wonder if I need to, include something. I don't know what I would need to include. Is the problem. I don't know if I need to actually grab the button itself first. I mean, this is on the button though. I should be able to, yeah, why can't I just do image? What is there, I've got, do I need like Unity engine dot UI? There we go. Thanks, internet. Alright, oh, what do I need to set it to though? Presumably I just need to set some, oh yeah, here we go. New color. And then I can do the RGB values. So let's do, let me actually, pick something. I kinda want like a light bluish, which is like this. So alright, so that should set it to selected. Actually, let's do like set selected. Bowl. What is it currently? What is it currently set to? I think it's just set to white right now. Alright, so now that we've got this set selected function, when you plan the move, we can call set selected true, but we also need to remember the previous button. So if we have a previous button, we'll set it to false. Otherwise, do that and that. Alright, I think that probably works. Right? What do you think? I think it works. Let's give it a shot. So now, there it is. We're not clearing it though. Alright, why didn't that work? I thought for sure that would work. So set selected if true, otherwise set it to this. I feel like that should work. When we plan the move, pass it in this. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I just hadn't set the right button. I was setting the one I just clicked on to white and then blue. Alright, nice. So now, then when we click the submit button, we should probably destroy all this stuff, is my thinking. So let's try doing that too. So that's, when we do move ship, what we want to do is to tell the canvas to destroy all those buttons we made, right? And it'll probably need to save them. No, not that. Oh, I'm not showing you the code anymore. There we go. Alright, and so what we probably should do is save these game objects as we instantiate them. We can just put them in a list. That's probably the most sensible thing to do. I do need to figure out how to, so not just, I want to remove all, but I need a predicate. I don't know if I can do something like this. Yeah, I need to have, I'd probably just do that since I'm not referencing it. We'll do that. Alright, anyways, so we'll add the button there. How do you actually destroy things? Destroy. Button. Alright, maybe that works. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we'll do a move, just a simple... Yeah, they're all gone. And then we should be able to click them again and get some more buttons. Nice, so we're kind of getting our way up there. Slowly but surely. There's a couple weird things, like if I click submit again, it keeps going. But that's easy enough to fix, because all we need to do is say something like that. That'll keep us from doing it multiple times. But really we need a lot more interesting things to go on. Probably the submit button should disappear as well, is my thinking. Or grayed out or something like that. But yeah, this was pretty interesting little experiment today, just messing around with some buttons and stuff in Unity. Learn a lot about, how things work. So yeah, I think I'll probably call it a day for now. There's my cube. But yeah, quite a lot to go still if I want to have a real game here. So like one thing I need to do is probably need to zoom out a lot more, honestly, because it will be like a ship and multiple ships around. I might want to change the angle as well. Currently I can't go up and down to change the angle. But yeah, the basics are here. But basically when you submit your turn, then, cool stuff will happen. Five's probably a little too far right now. Ah! Oh wow, it's exactly the size of the board. How about that? But yeah, I want to come up with how a banks and turns should actually work, because really they should be like arcs. So that'll be fun. Yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do. But yeah, that's all I got for today. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!